Just to give you a little walk around of the rig, this is the rig. It's called the Beast. I hope the wind isn't being too big of a problem. I bought this thing about like a year and a half ago. It was a tool truck for a construction outfit, and I was in the middle of a divorce and knew I didn't want to live in an apartment, so I bought the Beast. It's a 2006 Ford E450 with the big engine, the V10. As you can see, I'm from Iowa. I added that SUV bike carrier so I could get it outside of the rig when I move. I have the batteries back behind that DOT number there. There are 4 batteries on each side right behind the cab, and that's not all ammunition, a lot of it is, but I keep a couple propane tanks under there, and I had a set of lug nuts bust off, or lug studs bust off on this side, and so it took out all that paneling that used to be there when the wheel fell off. Luckily it left my muffler behind. And that's the bike. The Eco-Trick electric bike, which I charge off of solar. Sorry, camp is a mess, but I was going to show you what I'm kind of trying to do here with this hour shower. So I'll try and set this up, see what we come up with. I can't see this in the sun. I'm nearly blind. It keeps shutting off on the display. Okay. Bottom line is, I should probably get my trash out of the way. Do build up. I take care of it regularly, but just not in the last couple of days. Apologies for lack of video quality, or at least whatever. Anyway, this is the tub I got to use for my shower stall tub, whatever it's see if we can make that out. Shouldn't be smoking on screen, I know it, but I do it anyway. Anyway, there you go. That goes down, and you step into it. And I still can't tell what's going on here. Alright, sorry, I talk to myself a lot. Now I'm talking to you, so. Basic components are the sump which goes down in there, the wand, which goes, I guess, wherever you want to go with it. This one's got a nice long cord on it, as they say. This is a switch that turns everything on. Okay, this is where we see how well we did on our planning stage. This is about a gallon of water maybe, because I used some to run through my Berkey for drinking, and this was going to be my daily test today, so. May not be enough water. It's not really up on the sump good. Maybe I'll put it on the downhill side. May not have enough cord for that. See, this is all first time, so here we go. hard to see. I'm getting flow problems because I don't think it's getting enough water. Just bear with me. I'm doing this on the fly, learning as I go. Got water yesterday to make sure I had plenty. This is a really big tub though, so but it fits the space. Plenty enough water to take a shower in, right? I ran the heater maybe an hour ago, ran it up to temperature, and it's just been sitting, so this is nice and warm. This is not hot, this is nice and warm. I think I have it turned all the way up for heat. Yep. I think the problem is my tub takes so much water to fill the bottom of it. I'm gonna stick something under it so it gets more water in the end there. This end. Oh, we have the room. I'm not no way this is going to be getting 3 gallons a minute throughput, but water is nice and warm. It's plenty warm enough to take a shower, and I don't have a thermal UV thermometer, one of those IR things, so turn it off and it catches up. I don't know, I think got to figure out what's going on here. I'm thinking it's still not having enough water in the bottom. Good use for trash. Yeah, I cut myself. I'm a bleeder. Just thinking I may need to put a booster pump on this to get it to go any better, because it's definitely submerged, and I was hoping it'd be able to. I picked that tub up and put it on the table. This would come out of there a lot faster, I think. Let's try. Hope none of you have anywhere to go. I may edit this down, but I'm probably not even getting any usable video. So let's find out. Catch-all table. See if I can lift this tub up with all that water in it. This will go on the blooper reel, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, a lot more flow. I hear the pump chugging. I wonder if I might have an air leak somewhere. Nice and warm. It's kind of windy out here. tested, first time I really tested it, so. I may have to put a booster pump if I want to use it outside. I'm still 8 inches below the floor, so. Pressure's there. If I shut it off and let it catch up, it's got all kinds of pressure. Occasionally it's just quick. I don't know. Sorted out that's what this was all about. These all seem tight. I don't think there's any air leaks there, but it's hard to tell. Well, we're working on it. Figure it out. That's after everything was turned off. There we go. Chronic wet floor lately. And like my never met him friend Camperman Kevin says, we end this video here.